Action and a pay so bill ziba ideas GH television do it was secondary takrade and a pay yeah Nsemsem Dwumadze no na mafa egwano mazere bro dem ra maka show de bia no Nsemsem Dwumadze no ye Dwumadze yes bro ideas GH TV joda zikesi fida joda zikesi fide biara na Dwumadze de biara dem ra maka show no oye amabuedua ne Dwumadze a otena egwodo na oze bro oye fiti joda kesi fide biara wo ideas GH television yedo dem television wo sekuneta kraze na mbom amabuedua ahwe ne papa kanchine egu wada nanwa ahwe benkum kakra ntina oye mde fiti joda besi inde wukuda ehumara kojo azanmebeye wo negomi enda so nyame na adomara yeshia mamon akwaba ziba Nsemsem Dwumadze do anapei za America chawanye de sa aba bomozina ka kire obi na no so ngbo obi amanze de kojo azanyamebeye atena egwonu muze ama buedua nti masrana abo mbozinara na aye watch party no na a share videos na woyankoso wenyebi na wahwe mede chia mama boafo ina na mede nchia ma executive producer ideas GHTV Matthias Tuful Damwa michio bebia ewo biara michio bebia ewo biara da na technicians na yeresha ase Dwumadze na as we do it every day and so ye bohwe na ya fahen asampa kanea na yeze abro mesawara bebia ewo biara no se wo tro konkron no benwa wo bible benwa bomozen na fa wo bible na ye ntwetwe nkombo fa wo bible na ye ntwetwe nkombo wo brofka sem no also cast your burden on the Lord my friend anapai asampa kanea cast your burden on the Lord and he shall sustain you. He shall never permit the righteous to be moved. And the pay hen asampa kanea no yefawo Psalm 55 verse 22. Psalm 55 verse 22. Cast your burden on the Lord and he shall sustain you. He shall never permit the righteous to be moved. Fante kasa no so say enjom tir edionum enum tir edionum enum ninchichem edionu ebienu ose to wadesua chin erazedo na oboso mu orema kwan ma otin ninyi infi na namon mu ochere eraze ba direct wo path bebia eboko biara nti anapei ono nye hen asampa kanea yehwe hen nkrasha samso anapei oho ozema hen also never regret a day in your life. Good days give happiness, bad days give experience, worst days give lessons, and best days gives memories. Never regret a day in your life. Good days give happiness, bad days give experience, worst days give lessons, and best days gives memories. Ono nye hen kwasha sama anepe yerefa na dem akwenye ido na maze ama akwaba ze aba Nsemsem Dwumadze no do yesha se anepe intentam na ra mesana ka obi de Nsemsem Dwumadze no ba wo joda ze kesi fida na emi na mrefa egwa no meze ama buedua joda kesi fida oye dam joda kesi fide onam na ne papa ahwe ne nkwanti owo takwa oreboa ebusuama wo ina adoto nzamba oyeyi na yesha nsam na asan nsam ayebati bi ndanye de ansa na yowure nsam ayebeti ni mesi abotare na menyu ewura nkomo bia ende wukude na ma mohwehwe dinu mudeman nkomo bia mafa na ma onfa woso ho kakra onfa woso ho kakra meze ono bedinkan na meze abro mu wi a mafa nsam na mafa na ozikan no Institute of Human Resource Management Practitioners ochere edwumaku bia anade institute bia enyo oyedwumaku institute bia won wohwe na human resource management ochere nyimpa nkitahuzi edwuma nyimpa nkitahuzi won na wohwe do wa suggest guidelines was in sheshebi another one adwenkyere another insusuin aba de nyimpa another human resource managers a wo company aromu no wo botum na wa afado na woze aboa ma edwuma akodo with this COVID-19 situation ni mu the man na Coa FS products not contaminated manufacturers reject FDA claim I am there and that kakra Food and Drugs Board Authority wo order there edubabia or food supplement chere say food supplement chere is bana another in diaba why ya etum ezihye edibana nim today anche mango otum we vitamin C a ebotum ano adi vitamin C ha nti food supplement na FDA kaka de oyem de wahwe eduru no mu a bibi wo ma o che de eduru no onzimu work bring fan contaminated into woyi ni na mfemfigwa ono ye ndaka kra wa bese no kona ndada ara products no koa FS products no ne manufacturers no wo be na wo beka de no asama eyire kaneze FDA work no on ya asama owum onye no kor biara nyim damara so na mabom zewura yankasa yen security kraza ha oye me de be ya joda na mnyewa ba nkombo mu ka chewo de nipa besia bi oye afarefa wo fi Ivory Coast wo be onam COVID-19 inti wo be yara na wo quarantine one wo be yara na wo quarantine one inti no nembom wo quarantine one nhihye ya another inti ya ansam trofo ya tenye de bebia wo de wo quarantine one na bia oda wodan eho nye kra omunyo de sabi was nyipa was ye de ne was kwoto na won trempo de bebia wodan sabi mosquito net mpo nda ho nti chere wo na workwa no wasanso wakaje malaria was afro coronavirus to be malaria wo ho nti no mpejifo hwa na won yi dam nkomo ya no mepeke wo edimoku a watakraza Sky Power FM for one site na mepeke dem information no the man amuro Kumasi Asante Region Health Directorate Asante Region Health Directorate what's in there what would there or they would what test driver for na market women since there one truck drivers taxi drivers no wo yem kofa wata woni nipa di ehiepi nti or they would na wobo mbozana wo ye nsama afefo muso no oye president or manpenyin ankasa ne health advisor obi a otu or manpenyin for wo ayesa ho the health director for health advisor myself fetcham Dr. Anthony Nsia Asare na ose se ehwe nhyehyeye a orokodo another test na orokodo wo Ghana ha osusu na adwen kyerɛ ne de ana ohun de se yanhwɛ yeyi ana de nzama antɔno konuma nipa bɛyɛ 10% ana wobutum na wewu efidem coronavirus inti American statement and also the president's health advisor Dr. Anthony Nsia Asari says the modeling projects 10% of Ghana's 30 million population will get infected with the coronavirus. Ochade nipa du ahanchichem du wo Ghana nyina Ghana wase opepe eduasa 30 million no mu no 10% na obotum na wenya dam yerbe yeka 10% so no chede oye 3 million people. Out of the 3 million, he says 5% are expected to fall seriously sick. Wo nipa beye empim ebasa no mu no health direct advisor zema omanpenyin Dr. Anthony Nsia Asare chede wo nipa pepe ebasa no mu no wo mu aha nchichem beye enum na wo susu de wo bondo wo bayer pa wo bayer wora wan yer bana no bayezin ono sayezoko nkanima o chede wo nipa empim aha edunum 150,000 people. He then said 10% of the seriously sick are expected to die. Now osanso chireme de nipa dodo a wo yer seriously na wo yer bana no bokodin obaye din wo coronavirus no mu no ono so numu beye 10% actually nipa beye 15,000 empim de num na won so wan hwa obotum na wewu. Now, Asambisa you'll be saying there, is our healthcare system going to be able to cope with 150,000 seriously sick people? Asama you'll be saying, into what's about to the wide and share, Zaba, Senimpa, on 150,000. Now, or your advisor, health advisor to the president, Ura, Dr. Anthony Nsia Asare Osusan. Anagana ha, you been your baby. Nenye dam krofi yenye hune gwa anonye aso ebotum na eze waso wadwenkyere na eze aba asanfo for say bisa yin if this disease is a threat to the lives of 15,000 of us, are we taking it as seriously as we should? What sense watch it anhwa na ya ye yenzama ye ya nipa dodo obotum wewu pa ye nipa be 15,000 no ana ye botum ya ye ho enhyehyɛ ya eyi ono muzutwom mafa nsam nka no so na mezaro na sei sara menyeruka sei we press conference Ministry of Information press conference CCR na we chere after 30,000 samples tested no since the president's address no Professor Ampafo chere nyimpa 120 na wa recover nyimpa 120 na wate apo ewo coronavirus yi ho na sei sara menyeruka sei de nyimpa dodo a one yerba no another when yerba ni bi Ghana case now Ghana yen case 1154 yefi 1142 no yaba 154 onye nsambia Dr. Patrick Abuaje and the payara odutugwa aha ye ideas GH television erehwe Nsemsem Dwumadze ncheka senkomo amabodu abia ewo biara na ncheka senkoma Bra Asset the head of technician mass focus director and cinematographer of this particular event Nyamiche the first camera assistant chosen graphics Matthias Tufo Damwa the executive producer and the pay say epade extra wadwin ze for there 15,000 data or your doctor asari wa suggest another we susu there say ya hengen zama ye another nzama ampo ye amagana nipa be 15,000 what's 150,000 wo ba yere pa na no yedin na wo wia no mu no nipa be 115,000 nipa 15,000 so ache nipa empimbre num na no yedin no no won so botum na wa hwe won kwa mamka fa aboafo nkrato monkana mamka fa maboafo nkomona momfambra maba pe mba fa tumizan wizin kama tundinde ende wukudi ya na yezirman ma mazirman ngafa ne woso onfan ho bi ne fi yenhwe yenensam na madam mo abasisia.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Dwumadze idin we aya mpoboa so to desert lufes lipes na de say pem works na da eboyi manuel yo into blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook am product ya ebun epemi location so am we agrek me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Apa de enya abotare na atwen na makafa maboafo nkrato na meze abraw damara na woso pade ebo wodwuma bi hu dawuru idea TV a ebotum na ahwe na aye ne dam adafa metene yei na mfa nkrata ne mfonguo na me technicians no hwehwe sanitation videos na yekotwa no na wonfontom ase abram reka sei na ro mfa sema ibasa wodam nkomo yi hu na yewia yakafa hen stories baye banana yensa aka wahano na yezabraw nti me technicians na yekrado won hwemfonyini na yebezi hu nkomo sisiara mrebaka wan asam sisiara hwemfonyini mrebaka wan asam sisiara hwemfonyini eyinyi asama anepe mesemanye mrebaka wan asam eyinyi asama anepe kojo azanyame beye mafa egwe meze ama munwa ama bodu mesemanye mrebaka wan asam eyi na mesema woso ebi mfa ho dem Dwumadze another mazam for me yichewi insama aseda ma woso kakran fa ho abai na ya Ghana ni bie onya woni Ghana ni bie onya woni kwa sorry onya woni som nyame hallelujah onya wa na ye bie munua sina wonando womaye nyodo obi ka se odo nyankopon na otani nua oyo trofo why. There are some things when you do definitely about affect woman hole up, you save it, you repair it, you work on it. You understand me? It's a baby and who there in real gugatenim. Aban ayan shai waka from penyufo waba ye kon was amahen. Konewie. In real kakratso gugatenim so aban sansu gafa ngwafo now somebody gotenim. Wabra gata na wara wanyim gata na wara wonfichir gata na wara wude woda nano na sa ehwe eya dama na nwa hwan ejuma fofora waaye waguda wara betiti gata na wa papa ekwana atum mbra na binum wozu wowura wozu koguma obi na nyim pe nyan sabi facham nyan sabi aramba ni timde bebi a ron gun sabi wasma botum esido na weke sinara ne bandezi bandu ne banya diarrhea sabe no year for there e wona we choke no nsu no botum atay wa stagnant water ma e won wa pay ntonton na wa agbawen ewia na no so ye za akwa aban ho se for you otwagu ya omonyon na egudu ayer kan ho asam nti mpada mo bobia mo twada mo fonyin fi mugudu ayer kan ho asam yanyi mpanyimfo assembly man no na za ya kan ho asam na ye bisem na ya hwe sabe amam boyfa wo omanyim wo takra de secondary takraze na yes idea J activity yan tena wo yen hwe ma yen secondary takraze onko from de biara da nti nda na pay mi share wa mama ka chaman de wo so makakran fan ho ma wo so ibi fan wo na wo so monyo nyipa Tenara assassini eya bo denden manyan mojana na no hwe good awo ze be na nhwe wo mojai nhwe wo kwaso fifi kakra so mpede to momani po fifi kakra po mpede to momani na wo ya ze be ne be den nyodo omanen nyakoma ma omanen na da mfonyini makuma ba ho pa makuma ba ho pa. Let's keep our environment clean. You just want somebody to keep you on your toes. Not that. Sometimes you have to be proactive. Mayankasa. Na oyemi yo there. Omayimu Western region. Takwaza waka religious people la ye go ayata. Na wo chokonkon kai ma yata ase there. Cleanliness is next to godliness no. Na wa adwen wa hin. It's ase then. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Sit on your toes as a Ghanaian. No menya na eboboa ma mani wa yeye. Obiri fi baby mbobo ma mani yeye. Nya na eboboa. Sekuneta kwazeman. O ma yefa yen ni siwo. MCs, assemblymen, youth leaders. Ekuri so from one develop if you assemblyman or confibia izin kubel what the from one. One sabe youth committee members, youth committee, thank you, technician, brass head of technician team, no. One from 164. One from 164. I feel yes, a camera, but so piano do. Yet get permission if you walk. Says Azan or say, okay, Nara. Obisuna drink chain there, baby Otson and Otter Sur. Nagatan Usana Quasi, into Senu Yefia. Wuta on ye. And a payment Strawara. Yo bibini ye ganeni nyodo na akoma pa fama woman as in the year waso for 2 years obinim was sort about the wuru kogu gatem esha da musubani oye na fi so a driver for na mo bohodo a driver phone on one day a driver phone so a renchal mabahodo mamfa bra phone krato na mamfa sama wonka no mfonte odo.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswani in Ghana. Jumaiza idin we aya mpobwa. Mpobwa so to desert, loafers, slippers na de. Say pemu works na da ebo Emmanuel into bracket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook. Ami product ya ibun pemu location so ami wa agrek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Mada wasada guda time na erehwam na masan ka cho bi ode nyame yade mamako ogwa metin sam bi hoda ogwa wol band zama bi ona on cherbaye mamahwa mensam ebien bi na bi mako ogwa na maba Debra Music ka cho the Institute of Human Resource Management Practitioners which one is in wafan IHRMP. The Institute of Human Resource Management Practitioners has issued guidelines for human resource management in the workplace in the face of COVID-19. What's the name? One watch a nipa na sitting in human resource no one say na one channel so what in Zamabia what they about to go what share there them in Zamin as a human resource management obotum na waboa ma ejuma wa kodo papa na orkasa no osne was a opinion order the medjuma kura no orkasa no say wo ye hyehyaya washada dubunu nyoto fom na wohwe nzama bia sabio obotum aboa ma ejuma akodo nti na onam ma wodze dam nzama na be nti human resource management wono nkoma wodze be no womayi na yentebi na yenhye ne so also workforce management 1. Facilitate a review of current working arrangements and human resource policies and procedures to accelerate the institution of flexi working, working from home, remote working, or teleworking arrangements, as well as to explore to select and invest in fit for purpose, cost-effective technical support systems, including digitization and information technology. Strategy na nche yede ndwuma wo ye na dwumaku no de bia na bia table crown office nipa be 10 na wotena ho no human resource management wo ndwumaku no mu omo moze na wonse san na ye shas de ye internet edwumaku so nipa no botum atene fie mpo na wa ye dwuma na dam na ye start de ye nzama bia otedam. Nurse delay new hires, decrease outsourcing arrangements and carry out job sharing arrangements. Also, the Juma and Kaja Boom are refumuno, and I Bibia, Yasha at what I bayano, yan twenty look a crack, Nayan Shumi, Nayan She. Awareness creation. Increase regular communication to bring to the awareness of staff and clients safety assurances based on adequate COVID-19 preventive measures and protocols being employed. Masana is a also, name. One cordona, one educate communication, one chada, one church, edumafono, edumayafono, and sama, and zama ubutum wa ye, and I want when you want to go so, one in zama ubutum na wa ye, na wama COVID-19 on catch ubia. Establish counseling services for employees, one share in penifo butum na way to counsel edumayafono phone. Was there the need of engaging the services of occupational psychologists? Ngwafobia psychologist wanna wash nipa na adwene na wotum na wo chechre nipa kwana botum afado oda abane bra anoda ye nzamama na brabo akokan nti edwumayefo mpanyifo no bomo na wo employ sam dam kofo no won fadam psychologist na bi won fa won bra edwumakum na won nipa na mbezim komo won kira won style bi abaye especially stigmatization situation now obaye na obi enya yerba ne be no ho aton na wa aba company na edwumayefo ni na wotwetwe no obetno bi ni nche no bi si menye na mbeye. Reduction of employee-client interactions. We edumayafon and I want when you demand one composition, one yentodo, woma yentodo. Unkana, Ashasanaka, Eco Jumema, Bitum Kijina, to the banker, telling him, Okasa and Sana, Bitumnawai. Identify high traffic areas of the working settings where there is regular contact of personnel. Also, there, a Jumanum company no, Jumakundumakunum. Yasha Bibia. Nipa dodo no ta hia yemfa nde say di edwumakubili ye emfa to watene hona e bia wo hye ebru another koko no ye bebia odu bebia nipa domina was wo hia elisusuyi nti obotum aba na yereba no botum na one transfer if you what akọ baby nti mpanyifo hwe na 1 year bb emfa ho damara and staff training also where applicable provide relevant training and retraining of critical employees shall say we train what employers. Benefits and leave money. I say review. Okay. Furthermore, where applicable, consider active leave management. Okay. Also say, mpanyifo a wada dam Institute of Human Resource Management practitioners. I don't know. One adwene bi in there. Say ehwe entumna yeya. Say ya kan entumna inzida. Bo mozana na so edwumayefo no do. Ma edwumayefo no ibinom so wonyede ne won kofie. Na dembra make cho no ayem de ndaka kranyi na Food and Drugs Board Food and Drugs Board Authority wotum na wobeba pa de wasende kuwa FS products no why contaminated another indubendube bi wo ma all my food supplements no onye onzimu na aza onamdo ma food supplements ye fa kuwa FS mpo abaye popular nye de edwumaku no na wozobotu gwa mbre kakra de dem da wasna yereba no otum na oche ho na one immune system onye no onye zen no ho ye zen no nti dem food supplement botum aboa one immune system no botum akon etia coronavirus ndama na oma Food and Drugs Board fo watche de wakaye hwehwem bia watche de eduru no another food supplement no ebibi wo ma onzimu ye de ncha na pay ma Food and Drugs Board mpanyifo no bi na amnyadwetwe nkomo nanso oyem de at munyanum bi no so nyewo wo nkomo do nti se muwie ha ma frɛ wona ma record won nsam na ato nyame adoma ochina ya bo na obiara so na wenye bi na wete American information and statements na we release in us manufacturers of the Koa FS drug Center of Awareness Global Peace Mission wanye wa challenge Food and Drugs Board Authority FDA there one product na often Koa FX drug no on yada bibiara also this comes days after FDA ordered the recall of the food supplements from the market also and that crap Food and Drugs Board kade one of Washington the Madzni na Washington Koa FX nebia when you market num na adeno onye no na by 2 days time one so was one and some abade one edru no on yaza bibiara owom into Food and Drugs Board one shena one year dene one year one says no papa. Also, in spite of our doubts of the claim, subsequently we ran a microbial test into me and chamofre obia our scientists bina wabacheche yemu kakra na so mensa anko biara obi wetum na ya tua nkomodindo ochina ma asamnetin sanete tabaranye dem Koa FS edru na Food and Drugs Board the part there when edru no o contain BB contamination of yeast woman no mpanyimfo no abade bibiara inyima otsedam the masemi was the FDA analysis the FDA for one what the bay wa bra waka peke indubanduma ni bi wo ade huso krum a owo ogwa. The authority had earlier indicated that persons with weakened immune system who targets of the COFS can become seriously ill due to the injection of contaminated with E. coli. Oh, it was a product to be what an E. coli. And Sina, on them on your but if you so a release one day, she nima what's them. As some know my Otarian, COFX products, in Pennyfos and there, she nima orchard or you're contaminated. Inti se nkomafufu wechira yebohwena yeze abrona wuso enyebina iti a higher ideas GHTV bomozana na mensanka wofa same bomozana mensanka wofa same ewo sekunde ugwa na menyenhwetwe nkomo mama yana ntantam na munko Kumase na mambra sesiara Kumase no Kumase ena ma health directorate or was it text over test drivers and the market women nina but test drivers na market women nina or COVID-19 no nina Asante Regional Health Directorate has said it will begin testing commercial vehicle drivers and market women for coronavirus. The Asante Regional Health Directorate. And say, paying for what I say, Ejuma, Ewa, Kumasi, another is Santimantonum, na was it at to go there. Nurse phone, that's the phone, or Washana, what test when na, I am there, on your nurse phone, that's the phone. On your nurse phone, that's the phone. It was the phone, how do you call it? I drive a phone now, Washana, what test one of my BBR. Why you fine? Onion. What for some reason I don't know. Come ask me. We are my about I. Okay. Inti. Penny for work. Kumase na watch day. If your taxi drivers are, if your truck drivers are, one who when you pay be at water when you pay yankete muzi afro pi nara. Inti no say them COVID-19 aba. Or they would na was start mandatory testing na was ma. Obia mandatory testing na was ma driver full. Nkaka truck drivers na taxi drivers no another passenger cars no. The Asante region has recorded 68 confirmed cases of COVID-19. Actually, eko Asante Mantoma nipa eduosan awotwe ina hondo nya COVID-19 bi or coronavirus. Na oye penyinipa other health directorate another health service na no ewo Asante Mantom no oye Dr. Emmanuel Tomkran na okache ne mpenyifo ne na amanfo ina de ncho oboboa papa na America na sama okay no protocol say we are also considering testing high risk groups. The high risk groups are the frontline workers, taxi drivers, Uber drivers, market women, truck drivers. These are people who come into contact with a lot of people. They will undergo voluntary testing me catch on pay mo kunyu boko ogwa na mate the band bi ebopo emu ogwa ma mo nko na mo hwe band kra we pay mu ogwa wo fa sami ma mo ache an pay wo fa sami an pay mo ache wa po men an pay martin say the what the band bi aba ogwa o ya ban band asam na ye kan wasani
Actually, I was in set to one year, so started time. Started time, much of the money part of Russia, and now, yeah, Zama, Nakan Kanye. Now, what's your night today? It's a car, not today. Mama, fucking Dema, all of us. You was also what you relate for today. Bagano, Ayaza, or even
Ebenazano.
Hello.
Mitsu, Ebenazano.
Bagia. Oh, I guess a Bukubagia. Womutia was the Fiji.
In you.
Aha. It's all. Them Salobek, I will be Epidia, Obia, watch it out by Hena, or the Juma Abbey for Papa. It's all now there. If we know how for drive was not so, what okay, because watch it, mobile. Now, what said no one today? Just way ma adana kono why the mouse one farmer or a program for 6 moments for the year after year ma it's a program you get it I had that for you to I want in that car work and
okay
agency government to pay any usual wash it one that I show young for me that man will know what to share it I hope that's not government not possession you probably take and many that's why for young for him 1:1 this is how it I had
okay ye what to ye za na asam ne bad dem a driver for na wo chu tragan wo fa asam den
if I you would be on Casabre there amazing sina 1:1 if I say and that's yeah all but you want it I had that what to pray more Echo, but the first one, they are the food here. I want to see. I look for one city. That's Echo. Who gets that? They get a look of me. Maybe I'm going to one of the top working for also because one city. They told them when you come to car between one way, that's the drivers. I had that. Now, so what is that? My shape by the world bandit. I have like an oil that drivers like that. Oil want to be.
Okay, and at the side of the drivers, Pragia drivers now, if you know, what fun then passengers and son of a Pragia, so one so one is the accident.
Hey, no, no, because there, passengers now go to Homa, our year, the middle, and the other way, the director of my mind. I have to see or one or down on they just said police commander, the original police commander or car walking one, looking more Burma. In fact, passengers was a wow. I can
yo, what I know, Mamma for na, since your demarcations now or no, I am there, and then I'm who baby them and kissing woman wash as I watch a woman now with Amona. Upon you go so what's then?
In fact, I pay out if you want to remember any okay. No, you know what I said. Keep a little why I have for fun. Get this woman. Okay. In fact, in your about no, the girl was the open mouth for the beginning. No.
Yes.
Now, one popular woman is one just go. No, on apple. But what you're knowing, opponent, and the small what it does, just go on. But it gets the whole. And Father will be asking the same professor to knock on our marketing where I have to put out what is it for me? There will be on in the ever this weekend.
Hey, market now your shift. What your market now your shift in?
no one can mind. Then over here, social
distance no.
Now, but no one can put the hammer. And the person look at the look at the issue. In fact, that's a miracle. In that way, I am with the now. Yeah, I want you to pass the look when I could be.
Oh, it's sort of tall.
That's just because the high.
Yo, what fast? I mean, answer the major winning. No, this I am sure. And the Dana Yerka, the nose marks no more asamno, and a pay Enyan and say there, oh yeah, the health advisor to the president Akade, and showing him pabaye 150,000, and I able to ubutum not when you're going to be Ghana ha, and I know we 15,000 so now ubutum we. And what will go ya? What's it will go no? A whole born pusana there, no one to set it down.
What kind of a system? No one's done nothing. And if I'm catching up with my day, the kind of question, no, in fact, the mistake for 100 hours, you know, so look, man. I did hide one to the people who have it.
Yo,
no, one said, one time, never, but no, or the kitchen like a half. No one's happening. Hey, but I advise the other my friends to work out on how to work out. But after that, down, over you know. I'll make the drama, then another fire. What marks that the one put the on them or there, what on them as health, another advice and over.
Now, and you probably isn't come maybe someone sent on the man, nose marks and one shen.
What is? But what I was eating? I said, I was the issue. What's like a guy? Oh, the people of my no one can now come in. Why now? Watch as a party, so I can say, okay, yeah, why don't watch how much one of bread, I sure.
Yeah,
good. One of the months, in the month.
But Ebba Hassa, I had a MP for the region, no, name penny for being what the Denver buckets and see vantage points in the markets, and I don't know. For Ogwa markets and markets, and Echo and who the Mazno.
In fact, you know. And I found this was I am so hurt. What the cabinet is, the guy is going on Ayada, and the number of gathering by other cities. Where the cabinet I don't win sanitizer, but in Canada, Ayada, what a missionary, not a far. Core effect. Core effect is, you know, I am the sanitizer.
In your
I'm both I don't know what effort for one, one company or whole function. Oh, I accept, and I think,
aha, you couldn't have what I'm in.
Now, I'm put it in a food and drug for was a just got to them. What effort? No, now what's the man? It has been contaminated.
Yeah.
Now, let you say, or you know, Professor Wamina Dankano, Dankano, or I tell you to Professor Min, but dinner, what's she? What? I have five of drug now on there, or yet the entire drug of the 4 Herbal Center. It's no way to my natural Ayaza, what I say, I just allow you down with me now, your casa. Then you don't know over to what I'm about. When it changes now, what is what money? Now, what the one is? What can share? I am the customers and other consumers together. Whatever is all the same. Them words will just ask
Okay. And say, my end divert cacre, ye, coronavirus, if you are, Evan and Sambi Ocho, go picture on Saturday. Come picture. Come for you know, Cordoba.
You ready? Then when I am round there. Way around that, that's a banana. So as I do there, you got your book. Now, by a last week, Yana, was just to move there. But what I wanted to do was the isolation center.
Okay.
What the guy was doing? Yeah, you can't know what was the problem. Yesterday, one of the was the one. When he authorities look me, and now, wait a minute, the mom was in Bopon View. Yesterday, there was also one call. And gas and point to senior high. Honestly, the story is just the same. But that's not what I agree. Honestly, the the man was all back for what I said. Also, the man, the last person that day, I had a isolated at your bar. Oh, my dad can hire another regional minister. Also, my central region. No, 50 hours a day. So, we are here isolated and one part. You must say, well, internet. It's also in fact, we are in the aspect of war. I'm not worrying here. It's a way. This is that must suffer now. Also, I'm a but I say, one man after that.
Yes.
And I want to our Elvina and I see me. And I also there is something that wasn't back out. But the fact that I went away and I had a war, I just the one I shall. What form of scenario? I have now, I said, Uncle, going to there, working, also, what is negative, working.
Okay, now, then, so for penny, no, wasn't can you be there? Honestly, I'm not a woman to them.
Aha, something more can you know. Too fast, I what I can, if I get this canoe. After, yesterday, if I put it down in the business. Now, something also. For my reliable source there, I have no fire Papa. Our conversation or response to treatment. Papa, the Roma on your today. I don't know if I have or response to treatment. Papa, I was a direction. First, get a year body work on the 19.
But that's a papa, what for Sammy? What for Sammy? Ochana Paso, your boy, and I is Shana is in Como. Aye. As what I say. What for Sammy? I'm in Como, yes, FM, Ogwa. Enyo ogwana owo na wabom ogwan common obom ogwan kwamo papa ma kuma aka mo ho ai idea G8 television ma monko na mko twa mo ho ma baba bape mezeman sam nka na mazoro chawodo na yetumi asore wo dwumezini do.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswani in Ghana. Dwumezi idun we ya mpobwa sort ya desert lufes lipes na de say pem works na da ebo Emmanuel into blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya Boom, a permit location so I'm a Greek. My number is 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Yakwana yaba yada technicians no as papa. Ma mission some na mizin kam nyoko kwa FX. Ana mizin kam nyoko Institute of Human Resource Management practitioners what train guidelines and one man nzambe be able to na years do obobua ma human resource management wo indumendumku no no wakodo binyi de what's na isolation no another yentetu yentem no yema onye pi yentetu yentem no yema onye pi pa anonye asamkura oho facham onye asamkura oho damara suna kuwa FX products no one indumani mpanyifo wabakade the food supplement is not contaminated so it is coming back to the market. FDA ordered there into one fee market now so still to come. Number Samsung Kafa Health Directorate our Asante region is Manto no opening that to go there. Taxi drivers and truck drivers in market women no washana why one mandatory test and another testing one now wash there wo yerbe be another woni bia FDA story no ochina yebesana ya fanfofo na ya continue as at now. Impanyifo chirem de nipa yerbe wotu am wire pa 150,000 impem aha edunum enna nwana obotum na wewu efimi nipa 15,000 aha which is impem denum nti woma yina yenhwe yen huye na yenyema bibiara on ye fine papa se epade efre na echre wadwen se epade efre na echre wadwen wo nsama yakaka ho bia studio line is 059 0595971 059 059 Portrait technician is as every mama yen share asama na rekan bio mam kom nsam no do na mo share za okay an advanced laboratory at Secondary Takrade Veterinary Service Department is expected to run COVID-19 testing in the coming week. What's in there? Mpenyifo Regional Minister, Honorable Kobe Ochredakon, ni mpenyifo wakona oye yen veterinary department na another veterinary office na our western region no what's in there wa convert na another wa convert na was a testing center the ama COVID-19 in the next coming week. Now the facility, which is biosafety level 3, implies that it is appropriate for working involving microbes. What are the facilities be ananza mazambe be obotumuna waji for was it aye how do you call it? Waji wana was it aye COVID-19 testing center. For the past weeks, the Regional Coordinating Council under the leadership of the Minister Dr. Kwabena Ochidaku-Mensah have been exploring the avenues to put the facility to use, especially to serve as testing facility for the coronavirus. Opinion nim painful by and la panic crana wash as the way and shim no wape baby or Western region ha able to na testing center. Under them no nama I got for them veterinary service departments in there. But also unfortunately after an assessment of the facility, it was identified that some minor repair works need to be undertaken to make it fit for the purpose. Regional Minister, no Coordinating Council in Penifo, Minister Dr. Kwabena Ochidaku-Mensah, and on any Penifo, who don't know, Biania, or veterinary department service, no, and veterinary service department or water crazano. Or your baby Obutumana was a testing center, it's a testing center there, or the Wutumana washer. In a walk day. Ye wo ndwuma kakra bi other way was a torches nti ye bo hwe na ye yan camera ka for ho ya hwede torches no otedana worry na ye heading to the call by the regional minister for an urgent financial support to undertake the needed repairs. Eagle Properties, parent company of the Eagles Lodge, the Palms, all in Takrade have donated an amount of 25,000 Ghana cedis to support the project. Okay. Repairs na why veterinary services wana one aids mu ye na wa baye bia pa pote de wobotum wona ye testing center no na oyde wunye sika kakra was boboa ne da minti ena edwumoku a wofa no Eagle Properties wana da medwumoku ya na wokita Eagles Lodge our Eagles Lodge wo Beach Road inyo the man wokita Palms Lodge so no so wo dem apem hoara enna watum na wode sika botan 5,000 Ghana cedis inyo empem 5,000 Ghana cedis meminje mu hara na ndam Fante no wamba egudo hwa ideas ATV the masama na owodorge na wode dem sika no wode abana wode babua nti se mehwe menyim wa ha mfonyina otin de eges eyifo no wa dan sika da mai o se Dr. Regional Minister Dr. Kwabena Ochidaku-Mensah oje ayino dam no kan o se ohia papa de corporate companies ndwumoku awowo omanyi mu boboa na wa boboa madam adi wa akodo na at the same time so we take precaution measures and madam yerebe wentum na waye okasa no brofkasa mokare we are believing that one of the key ingredients in tackling this disease is testing. If you are able to test as quickly as possible, we can isolate as quickly as possible and start treatment, he said. Opinion say so you tumna yeah fast na you tum yeah testing na testing no bobwa aza kroso botuma abo ma yereba na akofo mi ye be ye testing to say ye be ye testing so a or you tum yeah testing no ntamse no ma ona be ma wo dam veterinary services department no excuse me where veterinary service and where no testing center or Western Regional Veterinary Officer Dr. Simon Benny disclosed that the facility is equally efficient as that of the Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research. Opinina other regional veterinary service Dr. Simon Benny or kasa no so na sama okanye there place wo another veterinary service department wa water crazon no so oye baby odzimu pa obotum na was it aye testing center today Noguchi Memorial Institute the cinema where you testing the fee wo Ghana hano. It is one of the topmost in the whole of West Africa. Also yes e be manum ha e be manum atoy afem ha or ye place bia another or ye veterinary department bia make a Western region had you or ye za odzimu papa. For Western region I don't think we will be having any backlogs. Any sample that comes, we can run it on the same day, Dr. Bane noted. Also then, say equal mbia where you testing bia. If you are where you testing another what you need put mujena or what test na on your break a crown sana why na ohwe omanimu anada atoy mantem haza opinion Dr. Bene chede aha de se yetwe sample na nipa ne sample na ndara western region yebotum na ya yema bibiara anada yetum yehu za awom se nipa ne negative ayebo se nipa nso ay positive sa yebo hwe na yehu dama na opinion no oze bay moko na makafa mensama oze wi kra mza abrona metum asor efi dwumazido mama nke obi ode aha ye ideas GATV sekunde takraze ina yewo sekunde takraze ina yewo nti bibia ewo bia no pocho sepede ebo wodwuma bi no hu dewura bomoze na kede oye ideas GATV 0208 9963 820208 9963 820208 9963 ma yenhwe nsama ozewe mankankan comment na monsor anade menyane dan Amabwedua is watching. Samba Ademu, big up Kojo. Thank you, brother. Samba Ademu, I don't believe Ghanaian authorities about this COVID-19 issue. Why are you saying that, Samba? And say, responding, Mamanka. Also, we will never move forward in secondary takrade. Amabwedua Moshe. We, the citizens, will never help our leaders in the good works, but rather spoil small development they do to help us. I don't know. Most pastors don't even preach that scriptures again. Cleanliness is next to godliness. I don't want to assume. As of one was 1 year less cleanliness is next to godliness. One church on your fine. The last set of story that I'm doing this afternoon on any. Oyara Hode. And down in a mobile man said COVID-19 ibei. COVID-19 ibei. Impeyifo chem de afarefo esiebi be esiebi wofi Africa's bo pay mu Ghana. Was so wonu ma wo chere wo quarantine one. Now story is a sex fisherman quarantine in an uncomfortable space as a kindi. Ocha na pamete mfonyi ni ba chere. Ne hu bia wo zinyi pa akwoto da wo quarantine na. They are instead killing the people. They are instead killing the guys. Fishermen now when you want to go on. Just a mere mattress. Not the foam with no mosquito nets. With no mosquito nets. Now what did the foam? One water closet for the 6 of them. One water closet for the 6 of them. Spoiled water closets. Spoiled water closets. Sabi empedo nana. Obi kan kasema. We got at the Jen bi. As the Jen bi. And I wasn't nkofi ekogu there. One share na one fine one. Na ehwe the masem ya. Nti nkofi bi ina wonye Sky Power FM in some trophy our Western region Warakasa. Oye Abrente Abraham Mensa no kaya the interview. Now nkrofo kasa say just imagine where we sleep each night. You easily catch cold anytime you walk in there. We have been compared to sleep together, irrespective of our medical condition. Don't you think any carrier of the disease can easily infect us? One of them cried during a phone interview with Sky News. Esha, nipa kasa no ose. Hwebe bia wonya na abada wonya begu. Na oda fo msawa semfonyi ni in case that semfonyi the ideas TV do na rehwenwa. Bribi ntina mentuma afomfonyi na bantam. Na semfonyi de ho na rehwe bia. Nchebo hu de yewu. Nchodo wogya ho momo wonanam. Nchodo wogya ho momo yede ne wonanam. Amane panyifonyi mpanyifa waka bia wom mbra. Odi won same. Yes someone ate. Won fa ho na se fom na won hwe. Na fonyi ode menyi ma memro hwe ne ze. Dabi. Also, a water closet being used at the holding isolation center. Ishe water closet usiwa. Ishe adza usiwa. Se sabi. Waye unrobbers mpa. Nchedam na would treat one. According to them, they were screened upon arrival and allowed to return to their homes, only to be called a couple of hours by regional COVID-19 task force to avail themselves for quarantine process. A procedure. After free watch there. Wariban. Abra Wariban. Wofi Ivory Coast Wariban. Obodu yala ena. Wobo mazan weden. what share one abra, but more share what once a ball con I would soon wonder. What share symptoms in the when you be now was one coffee. What coffee and was answer what from one Western Regional COVID-19 Task Force. Was what share was answer from one bra and 1 million for quarantine proceeding ma bibihara and you're fine. I say they had already taken our samples and left us to mingle. Breaking news: fire rages down building close to multimedia group. Hey, it's maybe a Kwame despite. Na you want ono no chede. It just on mama can intend to na muscle. Me a fisherman when I say news reaching mynews.com Ghana confirms that fire has gutted. Gutted down a building close to the multimedia group building. No one has been reported dead. However, we believe properties worth thousands of cedis may be lost through the fire. It is not known what caused the fire, but trust journalists. We will bring you the following updates as the occurrence. And Damana Otis, some new cases, Sayako and Cranman, baby multimedia, one Adan, one Ija Ato, baby Obenho, ma Nzamade be asay na wumum, Yanse she dead, Nipebi Ewu another, Nipebi Ashe Nunkwa. Nana manugu asama American oye secondary takraze ha nipa besia wo ye fishermen ana wo ya farefa wofi agricos be ya mpenyimfo wose wo hwe na wa hwe won yerbem. Also they had already taken our samples and left us to mingle with our families. Why would you do that if you knew we had to be quarantined? Should we test positive for the virus? Who do you blame? They lamented. Mpenyimfo afarefa chere wona lo po wo be no wonya boduri na repek na waje one samples na wasa muja one ma wanye wana ebusuafo won kan nantuma nti wona la so mpo na won wa quarantine wona wonye be pepa ndan po won so wol bisa won so wona asema wol bisa nyino the ana tax force we wesen we oba fa woni na wotwe one samples ya samples na wonye na aneduru wi na won chere wo bia na wonye be woja ho wonye wona ebusuafo ka mengele yi na se wo mu bi wo yereba ni bia na se ocha wana na waye Adam kan was a double chance yo wallo wala inti ya yaza na ya yezo ye inti na ndam se na ma oso anfa ho kakra aye fadam tem to wutilim e wana se ma anfa woso ho kakra the fisherman told Sky News Abraham Mensah they left the shores of Secondary some 3 weeks ago. They had wished to make a quick turn home if they get a good catch, but luck eluded them. So they had to continue the expedition until they got to Ivory Coast. Fishermen in this chere, since I know who pay Ivory Coast in now, by the penny by some person corner where they were capenam. Now, no one will be now. I'm the more pay Ivory Coast. And see, things weren't good that we left. Okay, we felt it was expedient. We returned with what we've caught them. Until us and them, what quite because about still I did paper bearment who know that was some of nation wedding. Waba. Until upon a tip of Warabano, the Marine Police picked them up and detained them. The regional COVID-19 team were later arranged to screen these fishermen. Now, a Brenta Wafan Abraham Mensah, Oyejuma was Sky Power FM or Western Region Hano. O Quadrana, Udi Story Nichina, Okupe Muo. Local Assembly, Public Relations Officer for the Secondary Metropolitan Assembly, John Last, admitted that the concerns for these fishermen are legit, but justified that it was an emergency and we had to quickly mobilize and prepare a place for them. If it is and quickly and you are mobilizing a place for them, not this place. Opening last story, not this place. If it was it was concerned for this agency, and we had to quickly mobilize and prepare a place for them. Is it the place that it is in these pictures? Technicians, I beg you, I'll close. 2 minutes and come over. Is this the place that you are quarantining the people? Ijaba down answer, Ijaba down answer. Secondary takrade. Okay. He disclosed that the assembly had managed to get some sanitary items, including Veronica bucket soap and some them maintain good hygiene. into assembly no one kasa mpanyimfo wode da mazama ko owura dan mu bia Abraham mafro na yakasa mo hwehwe be Abraham mo bia na menye nezim komo na I'm sorry my follow up this story I will follow up all am hwehwe Abraham ni poka fa story no na mo follow them story up you to be follow them story up impanyimfo na wakasa okay I'm going to end the story na matam ko. He disclosed that the assembly had managed to get them some sanitary items. Food and other supplies are also made available to them by the assembly, he added. Mr. Last, however, assured that a befitting condition will be provided for the suspected patients visited in the course of the week. Ochade, sir, I'm sure for now about one we could place lunch 1 year. Okay, you will follow. Bibi papa for no one so woman and asun say, you boshana, you busy. We have been working on a permanent location to manage this kind of cases, but here are a few things that we need to do before we can relocate them. Also, you wasn't there. You should be a coffee bogo obey permanent or I know a suspect will be a there. Then they na place name to or your classroom, school then beam, and that one of coffin kogui. Then took Jesus. Oman Ghana. One some when you nipa. Nasa depa wo fi oye wo ma ye boye bere ye ne be ye ya efri yenara. We have been working on a permanent location to manage this kind of cases, but here are a few things that we need to do before we can relocate them. If we are fortunate to receive their results as quickly as possible, and if they are negative, they will have to be released and be monitored from their homes, he added. Oya kasama fa o kasama secondary Metropolitan Assembly owura John Last na okese no mo sorry na mako na ndan sama ya TV nyide ana mizin kan mo bo nya na nkasa hina he na chiru na maka cha da makakra mfa wo so wo hu makakra mfa so wo hu nti mo bo hina he na chiru wo cleanliness and next is next to cleanliness no ho mo bo hina he na chiru ewe na Institute of Human Resource Management Practitioners wetu adwumayeku fo mpanyifo there won ye hyehyɛ bi abotum na wa aboa Food and Drugs Board wakada kowa FS one product no or contaminated into when you figure na kowa FX for I responded there dabi on yards or contaminated na Kumase Asante Regional Health Directorate in Penifos there oba na wa test taxi drivers truck drivers na market women na of COVID-19 we be mandatory testing the maso na msanso kafa yenwanam afarfo besi bia wo fi Ivory Coast bay wa quarantine one na bia wonye wona akadan ummonyo nembom sesi no John Last assure in some trouble there nyame na adomara in the course of the week obohwe na wazama atue enada na Abraham Mensa ka yedam story no wazama Sky Power FM owo secondary takrade ha enyimbre so yebasa na yehia aha ya Ideas G8 TV yes studio line na yetebe ejuma fiti nda 05959715540 05959715540 ono yedebe yejuma na afre na nyina yetum na yizi nkomoma bibiara wa ye fine na bibiara wa ye ahomoka incheka senkoma Bra Acid Studios head of technician Max Focus director and cinematographer for this event Nyameche the first camera assistant chosen graphics Matthias Tufudamwa the executive producer incheka senkoma ama Budua enyo maamenye webusuafuni na nyi enyanum ni na mese one shazen na nyankopon onye wonkese eyer soro no na nkaiba yezema woni de sesi aro ne yemenyo kese ija da nkran baby a oben multimedia for one dano na sesi aso Ghana in case of coronavirus no has increased the case of the coronavirus has increased papa na adokro so a mende obodem nyide government to introduce 1 year national service for SHS leavers nti obasate SS for obasate woye national service na nipa so wata po coronavirus nsisi an woye nipa 120 na 1154 na sisi no ya confirm there yenye bi umpanyifo kire the president health advisor kire say yan hwe yi na yan zama nyipa be 150,000 oba yer kesepa wadam yer be ya no na mu be 15,000 so na obotum ewu nsam pia otedam na mefa egwa no na mezema anape ewo Nsemsem Dwumadze a metene mezema ama boedua enwumbere hyiam wo mara ankasa megwanum ono my friend West Side exclusive entertainment show. And you bring DJ tablets of Sky Power and West Gold Fame. That was international. And you bring my share. Na yentwetwe come on. It's 5 p.m. Na yebe share. Na kay hunde. Cast your burden on the Lord, and he shall sustain you. He shall never permit the righteous to be moved. To what this year chin erazado na oboso mu ore makwan ma otin ni imfi nana monmu. Mama aha wojem abro aha ya idea GATV. Nyame ya demo channel pa ebesan yeshia. Nsamsam Dwumadze ni kojo azembeye na mefe gwan meze Dwumadze ni bro. Nyame shiro na yakopon ye okese. God bless my homeland country Ghana. Bye bye.